Okay, so it's a little bigger than UNM. Just a little bit. A little bit of ketchup. That Chipotle is where we got food yesterday, so that was my first day here. Okay, fun fact. The walks here look like little tiny baby humans. It's like toddler cross. I'm really trying to find something to criticize. Look at this. Who let there be this much water? There's like, look at this tree. That was a tree. There's more pond over to the side. And also, what is going on? That's the Moe's Southwestern Grill where Dylan used to make burritos. And that's the weird turkey thing they have all over this town. It's supposed to be a Hokie, which is their mascot, but still. We don't have wolves all over our town. Reason I love Dylan's mom, number 48. Look how pretty she did their like front little area. It's so cute. I don't know if you can hear it, but there's a mockingbird and someone's taught it how to catcall. That was it. What a funky house. It's funky. Week update. I'm on a trail. Not a trail, it's a walking path. It's apparently really long. The 2 reports I got about it were miles and miles and miles and miles, and it's at least 10 miles out. So I'm not gonna do the whole thing, but I'm going on it. Yesterday I just bummed around, and then in the evening I got to go out and I went on this really cool walk with Dylan's mom that was like around like this, something that used to be like an old farm. So that was really cool. There's like tons of wildflowers and it was really beautiful. And then we got dinner together, and then my hand's getting tired. There's like people behind me, hold on. And then we bonded over Pride and Prejudice because we were reading Pride and Prejudice, and I was like, I'm gonna go read Pride and Prejudice on the porch if that's okay. And she was like, I love Pride and Prejudice, and I was like, anyway, on our way back from dinner, she showed me an art gallery, this place, because I told her I love to walk. Right. Oh my gosh, it's so weird though, because this is like so secluded and beautiful. Like there's just woods all around me, and then there's like houses over there. I'm like, a parking lot over there. Oh my goodness, how pretty. Wow, so green. Fried chicken, fried chicken. Have you ever wanted to be in of doors and out of doors all at once? Then let me introduce you to, and again, my condolences to those who lost someone, a gazebo. There's so many freaking gazebos here. For it, ropes course. Let's egg them. I feel like putting this much BT hate on the internet might come back to haunt me, but I don't know. I don't have any reason to hate them except for that they're not where I go to school, so. I wish I'd bought the eggs. Yeah. Okay. I'll take Johnson. This field is huge! There's an art park. It kind of reminds me of like the garden we have, except for that it's not dilapidated. Also, I'm like 90% sure that they just made this place for people to be proposed to, or like cute dates to end, or like grad photos. Like this, they're like, we need a place for these three things specifically. We'll just make this. It'll work. But also, definitely, I'm just like in some girls' grad photos. I feel kind of bad about it. We're not dwelling on that right now. I'm lost. I swear I knew how to get out of here. Oh, there it is. It's a nun. Okay, last thing I swear, and then I'm going home. But it's for hanging hammocks on. How cool is that? Darn. A little bugged. How cool is this place?
Alright, we're in the Jefferson National Forest.
Woo! Thomas Jefferson!
Your destination will be on the left.
I am.